Looking to retire in Arizona? Welcome to Desert Winds Retirement Community. Retirement living at its finest. Enjoy restaurant-style dining on a daily basis, as our in-house chefs prepare world-class dishes. Our community offers many large floor plans to choose from, and pets are always welcome. Units come fully furnished with complete kitchens, comfortable dining rooms, spacious bathrooms, and large bedrooms. Additional amenities include resort-style pools and jacuzzis, fitness centers, and game rooms. Ice cream parlors, basic cable for all units, guest suites, and a full in-house library are provided as well. Stay busy with a variety of full activities including friendly outings, walking tours, and shopping trips. Get outdoors in our covered patios and other visitation areas, providing stunning courtyard views. Our current move-in special includes half off your first 2 months' rent. Call Desert Winds today. If you're interested in our independent living services, call 623-323-9845, and for assisted living services, call 623-323-9775.